Alright guys, morning. This is another episode of Trade Speed where we trade the market. This is not that financial advice. This is me looking at the market and sharing my thought. This is for a disclaimer. This is not financially advice. So right now we do have, since last week, since July 31, we have Tesla dropping out from 232 all the way to that 181 point. This morning we do have Tesla create a double bottom. Yesterday I kind of missed the whole scenario on Tesla, but that's beautiful right here. So we can see that he had the double bottom here, and then moving average Tesla goes all the way down. Alright, this is what I see. Now if this critical level is a 2.206, this is a critical level right here. We do have a support here and a little bit of resistance here. Now what I see is the stock breaking up above 201 all the way to 201 all the way to maybe 204.45 this morning. 204.45 is my level. So now if the stock break above 201, passing to 202.50, then we go all the way to 204, and then we 204.44 is the level that I see Tesla may actually, no, 204.23. Alright, so I have a 202 right here, 36, 204, 204, 202 to 42, and then a 204, 30, 28. But let's Tesla need to break above, which we already see pre-market at 201.31. So I'm breaking surely above. Will he be able to go to 202 and then probably up to there? This critical 203.27 is also interesting right here. But because Tesla makes such a move, Tesla sometimes has like this big move. I don't really like to think about the fact that it's just gonna move all the way like you usually do, but I like to look at those levels. So it'll be 202, 203, and all the way to 204. Now passing rejection on 204, the same level, so we're gonna have that. If it doesn't do that, then it doesn't hold. Actually it's going up, it doesn't hold, then we're probably gonna see a 200 past the 198. We're gonna go all the way down. So what I will say is check your level on Tesla. Okay, we could go down this level. We don't hold this level right here, and we do not hold this level right here. Like, let me see. So we don't hold this level to 280, 198, and then 198.76. And now past this level, we're probably gonna go lower than that. This is my thought on Tesla this morning. Alright guys, this morning we are looking at Apple. Alright, this is my thought on Apple. Apple went all the way down. We're on Apple at 237. Apple went all the way down to 198 to 199.23. Went back up at 211.71. Open this morning. We are at 228.28 on pre-market. Alright guys, so this will be this is my share of thought. We are already at 222, 222.28, meaning yesterday we opened higher, like believe we closed the close of the market, so we opened higher on 222.98, 28. Well, the thing is, let's look at Apple closely. At do believe that Apple is at the 220-228. If it doesn't have any more rejection, and then we can actually go maybe up to the 223, 33. We break above 222.23. I see the 224, or actually 224.81, or up to 225. So those two levels are my target level on Apple. Breaking above, I will definitively go on the 226 and probably more. Right, so we could say 222.91, 224 or 224.92, and all the way to 226, 227. That's on Apple. Let's say Apple doesn't break. That if Apple doesn't hold, and I can see like Apple is doing a little bit of a rejection right here. If it doesn't hold on that 222, or maybe doesn't break that 222.90 or 223, so we're going back on the 220 level and then back up to 217. Now let's say if we actually going all the way down, we may actually see 224 and probably lower than that. So this morning, let's see if Apple will hold on the 228 and break above with a 222.91 up to 225 and up. But if not, then let's look at, will he break at 220.37 level, and then breaking the 227 level. If he break another 219 right here, there's another level we could say. But for me, if he does break, if he doesn't hold the 220.28 and goes and we see a 220.54, we probably could see 219 and all the way to 217, and from there we'll have pretty good chance we'll probably going lower than that. So this is my thought on Apple. Check your level. Until next time. Alright guys, so I came back on Apple. Apple is moving, so I'm watching Apple. Hopefully we will be breaking above the level that I said that I looked at earlier. So because we're actually moving on the 20-31, so just pay attention to those levels. Hopefully we're actually going all the way to the 224.97. Oh, and we do kind of have a little bit of rejection right here on the 223.34. So that was one of the level that I said if we're breaking actually this one will probably be set at 224. I'm really skeptically, like I said, my 224 here, 223.50, 223, I mean, it's a 250, but I have 223, right here, and then breaking exactly that 224 level that I talk about. I just came back on Apple because I'm watching it. We're already on 222.39 right here. We actually can be on upper but not to say that it will be. I'll just pay attention to it. If it is a reversal, then it's following the same trend with a 2. If it is a reversal, I will say that maybe we'll come back to the same level at 223, breaking above, below 220, and then going down. So until next time guys, that's Apple.